tractor Kirovert 701 is helping a John Deere 8410 DT sink in the mud with its super strong traction.
Колея маленькая.
Ура!
Ice and water on the stream made it a bit difficult for this Ural truck to pass through here.
Лёга! Попробуй в раскачку сцепления.
The Ural truck backed up and gained momentum to find a breakthrough out of the gulf.
Давай.
After many efforts but the wheels could only spin helplessly, the Ural truck decided to completely reverse to observe further.
О, красавчик.
The Camas truck is crossing a snowy road. The MTZ-82 tractor looks small compared to the Camas truck, but that does not make it discouraged but makes it more determined to rescue the truck from this bad road. The Wheel Horse C100 garden tractor sank quite deep in the field and the rescue team leader, Kirovert 701, was there to help him. A terrain exploration tank is climbing from the bank to the ditch to work.
Его сейчас вот так вот должно под...
This is a technical medium that not everyone has the opportunity to access and work with if they do not have experience. To facilitate the transportation of firewood from the forest, in Germany, they use a crawler tractor called T150K. Forest roads in winter are always wet and muddy, but the T150K is possible. Along with the T150K, the K701 also moves quite easily on dirt roads mixed with snow with moderate ruts. It can also handle itself when encountering deeply flooded muddy roads using firewood sticks as cushions. During the rainy season, the roads from Gorkha to Bungkot in Nepal are quite muddy and buses easily get stuck. The rescue method they are working on is to remove the mud from the roadway. But this is a temporary method. Hopefully their government will pave the road so that all vehicles can pass comfortably. There were buses that were stuck for 3 hours with children on board.
The powerful caterpillar excavator scoops up a large rock as gently as kicking an air balloon.
Truckers. It will take a long time for the truck driver to show how skilled and professional he is. This is an off-road experience area for Ural, ZIL, Tatra or Kamaz off-road trucks. They create narrow roads between two hills and are often muddy to create a sense of challenge for. It was getting dark at Mitcher Schlatter, and Mercantil's Kirovert's K701 had to quickly move. The winter roads in Russia are always an obsession for truck drivers. Through this forest road to get home. The trucks are easily sunk deep into the snow and can't move. They need tow trucks to come to the rescue. Not only tractors, bulldozers were also mobilized to do rescue work for stuck vehicles.